This is...
And thank you for joining us. We've got all that, and we'll explain why you probably aren't disposing of your AA batteries the right way. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us all plan our day ahead. And what a gorgeous weekend we had. A little rain here and there, not too much.
Like on and off showers here and there, but today will be a little bit different. We are expecting rainfall throughout the day and a few thunderstorms. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, we are just tracking a few showers, but almost all of us are going to be seeing some rain all throughout the day, as well as a few thunderstorms coming in later in the day. And our high temperature today is only going to be in the low 70s, so it is going to feel a bit cooler outside, but it is a little bit humid. So scattered showers and storms are expected today, and the unsettled weather does continue through Wednesday, but by Wednesday night is when we do look to dry out for the rest of the week, and we will be seeing dry weather for the end of the week and into next weekend. But as for today, we are tracking some showers, possible thunderstorms, highs in the low 70s, and I will be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Some breaking news now.
Welcome back. It is going to get a little bit muggy over these next few days. For today through Wednesday, even through the end of the week, we are going to be seeing dew point values in the 60s, so it is going to feel pretty muggy outside over these next few days, and we are going to continue to see some rain showers. So as for today, scattered showers are expected, as well as a few thunderstorms later on in the day, but it looks like all of us are going to be seeing some rain today, and that will kind of continue into tomorrow as well, and just a little bit into Wednesday, because on Wednesday we will see a few isolated showers, and then we will dry out, and we will be seeing dry weather for Thursday. So if you were watering your plants or your garden or anything like that, I would say no to watering it today and tomorrow. Maybe on Wednesday, just because we are going to be seeing less rain than today and tomorrow. And on Thursday, yes, because we are going to be dry with sunshine. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. South Carolina.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking cloudy skies and a few showers this morning, and rain is expected throughout today. Let's take a look now at the Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. It is still dark outside, but we are dealing with mostly cloudy skies for this morning, and temperatures at this point are in the mid-60s, feeling a little bit muggy outside. And on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking a few showers that are moving through our region at this point, but rain is definitely expected throughout the day today, as well as a few scattered thunderstorms. This is all due to this low pressure system that is going to be moving through from the west, bringing us a few scattered showers, scattered thunderstorms. So overall, it is going to be a pretty gloomy day with high temperatures only reaching the low 70s, but it is going to feel pretty humid outside. Temperatures at this point are in the 60s, 67 degrees in Dowdesville and Little Falls, 69 degrees in Utica. Looking to the south, we have 64 degrees in Hamilton and Sherburne and 67 degrees in Cooperstown this morning. Our temperature is only going to reach the low 70s for the high temperature today. And it is going to feel a little bit humid outside for at least most of this week. We are expecting dew point values to be in the mid to upper 60s for today and tomorrow. Wednesday gets a little bit better, but still is going to feel pretty muggy outside because we are on the verge of seeing dew point right at 60, and then Thursday and Friday will remain pretty muggy. So we are going to be seeing humid weather for at least today and tomorrow as this rain moves through with this low pressure system. So the chance of rain is pretty likely for most of today. Scattered showers are expected throughout the morning. Into the afternoon and evening, scattered thunderstorms are also expected as the day progresses. This will last into tomorrow as well. So we will be seeing some showers and possibly a few thunderstorms lingering into tomorrow and a little bit into Wednesday, but we do look to fully dry out on Wednesday. So let's take a look at everything on the skycast. As for today, once again, scattered showers are expected. A few thunderstorms are also possible this afternoon and evening. High temperatures are going to be in the low 70s. Tonight, a few showers could linger overnight, and into tomorrow as well, we will continue to see a few scattered showers, possibly a pop-up thunderstorm here and there. That will linger a little bit into Wednesday as well, so the unsettled weather looks to continue for the next few days, but ultimately on Wednesday, we will really start to dry out, and dry weather comes in for Thursday. As for today, though, we are tracking cloudy skies, showers throughout the morning. Thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening. Highs in the low 70s, and tonight a few showers, possibly a rumble of thunder with a low in the mid 60s. So the unsettled weather looks to continue into Thursday. We dry out on Thursday, possibly a storm on Friday, and then the next weekend looks pretty nice so far, Gary.
Another nice weekend ahead.
Yes, let's hope it stays that way.
Hannah, thanks. Good for us. See, in part of the country so accustomed for joining us for this half hour. I'm Gary Libator. A busy morning here at News Channel 2, but first we want to get a check of your forecast. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now with a look at how we are going to spend the rest of the day here.
So it is going to be a little bit rainy today, scattered showers and possibly a few thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. So overall, a pretty gloomy day ahead.
We haven't seen a soaker in a while, though.
I know, we haven't.
Yeah, that grass needs it.
Yes, it does. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, we are just seeing a few showers moving through this morning, but we will continue to see scattered showers and possibly a few thunderstorms throughout the day with mostly cloudy skies, so our high temperature only looking to reach the lower to mid 70s. It is going to feel pretty humid outside as well, with dew point values in the mid to upper 60s. Scattered showers and storms are possible throughout the day. We are going to be seeing more rain than storms, though, and the unsettled weather will continue into tomorrow and a little bit into Wednesday before we do look to dry out again on Thursday. So this is kind of going to be over the next couple of days, seeing a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. So for today, expect showers this morning, possibly a few thunderstorms later on, and then we'll be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Oneida County.
We are tracking some rain showers for today. So look at the rainfall accumulation. It does look like the heaviest of rain is going to fall south, but we could be seeing a range from ½ an inch to an inch of rain throughout the day, and it is going to be higher in areas that see some thunderstorms. So if you did want to spend some time outside, I would just say no for today and tomorrow due to the fact that there is going to be scattered thunderstorms throughout both of these days and more rain today. On Wednesday, maybe this unsettled weather does linger a little bit into Wednesday with a few isolated showers here and there, but otherwise we do look to be mainly dry on Wednesday. So as you are heading out the door this morning, I would definitely just grab the umbrella in case we are seeing a few showers, and in the afternoon be careful when driving. There could be heavy rain and scattered thunderstorms. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A 76-year-old
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking mostly cloudy skies and a few showers to start this morning, and the unsettled weather will continue through today. So let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. It is still dark out this morning, but we are dealing with cloudy skies and muggy conditions with temperatures and dew points this morning in the mid 60s. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking a few scattered showers just moving through this morning, but we will continue to see scattered showers and possibly a few thunderstorms as the day progresses. This is all due to this low pressure system to the west of us that is going to be moving through over the next few days. So scattered showers and thunderstorms are expected today. Rainfall can be heavy at times as well. This will continue through tomorrow and a little bit into Wednesday before we dry out on Thursday. As of right now, our temperatures are in the 60s. We have 66 degrees in Little Falls and Dowdesville, 69 degrees in Utica, and 68 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 67 degrees in Cooperstown and 63 degrees in Hamilton. Our high temperature today is going to reach the mid 70s, so a little bit cooler on average, but it is still going to feel pretty warm and muggy outside with higher dew point values. So today and tomorrow, it does look like our dew point values are going to be in the mid to upper 60s, which is going to feel pretty humid. On Wednesday, it gets a little bit better, but it's still going to feel a bit muggy as we head into Wednesday and into the rest of the week. But definitely today and tomorrow are going to be the two most humid days of the week as we continue to see some showers. So the chance of rain remains probable over these next few days, especially for today. Heavy rainfall can be expected at times, as well as a few thunderstorms. So keep that in mind, and I would definitely grab the umbrella as you are heading out the door this morning. Heading into tomorrow, the rain remains probable throughout most of the day tomorrow, and it does drop down to a lower chance heading into Wednesday. So let's take a look at everything on our skycast. We are tracking scattered showers for today, possibly a few thunderstorms, and rainfall could be heavy at times. Highs are going to be in the mid 70s. Showers and storms look to continue overnight, and the unsettled weather does continue into tomorrow with a few scattered showers and highs in the 70s once again. Heading into Wednesday, it does look to dry out a little bit, but a passing shower, an isolated shower or two is still possible throughout the day on Wednesday with highs near 80. As for today, though, we are tracking rain showers and a few thunderstorms to come in later on with a high in the mid-70s. And tonight, that will continue with a low in the mid-60s. The unsettled weather looks to last through Wednesday. We do dry out for sunshine and a nice day on Thursday before the chance of thunderstorms come back in for Friday. But the weekend is looking pretty nice thus far, Gary.
So let's just enjoy the rain today. I know the grass will, right?
Yes, I know a lot of people wanted to see some rain, so hopefully today we'll water the plants and stuff.
Get it out the way.
Yes.
Hannah, thanks. Ask people why they don't buy an electronic, and thank you for joining us. We got all that, and we'll explain why you probably aren't disposing of your AA batteries the right way. I'm Gary Libertor, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us all plan our Monday ahead. And what a beautiful weekend we had. Maybe a shower here or there, but not too bad.
Yes, it wasn't too bad. We saw on and off showers. Today will be a little bit different. It's going to be cloudy, and we are going to continue to see some showers and possibly a few thunderstorms.
A lot of green behind you.
Yes, there is. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, we are seeing scattered showers, so definitely grab the umbrella as you head out the door this morning. Showers will continue throughout the day, as well as a few thunderstorms, and it is going to remain on the cooler side with high temperatures just in the mid-70s, but it is going to be pretty humid outside with dew point values in the upper 60s. So expect scattered showers and thunderstorms possible for today, and that will continue into tomorrow and a little bit into Wednesday, but we do look to remain mostly dry on Wednesday, just a few isolated showers, and then we will be dry for Thursday, and it is looking nice next weekend thus far. But as for today, we are tracking showers, possibly a few thunderstorms, highs reaching the low 70s, and I will be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Some breaking news now.
Welcome back. It is going to get a little bit muggy for at least the beginning of this week. So today through Wednesday, we are tracking muggy conditions with dew point values in the 60s. So it is going to feel a little bit sticky outside. And we are going to see rain through Wednesday. So today and tomorrow, scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms are in the forecast. And on Wednesday, we do start to dry out a little bit, but a passing shower cannot be ruled out. We do look to be dry by Thursday and for next weekend. So if you were wanting to water your garden or your plants or the grass, I would say just no for today and tomorrow. Maybe on Wednesday, it looks mostly dry with a few showers possible. And then we are completely dry on Thursday, so yes for Thursday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. South Carolina.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking cloudy skies and a few showers this morning, and rain is looking to continue through today. So let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera overlooking the Mohawk Valley. We are seeing overcast skies this morning, and this is expected throughout the day as we continue to see a few showers. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, at this point we are tracking a few scattered showers moving through our area, but rainfall is expected to get a little bit heavier as we head into today, and showers are expected throughout the day with a few thunderstorms possible this afternoon and evening as well. This is all due to this low pressure system that is just to the west of us that will be moving through, and this will bring unsettled weather for today through Wednesday as it finally moves through on Wednesday, and that's when we look to dry out. According to our sky watchers, we are pretty warm to start this morning, but our high temperature today is only going to be in the mid-70s. So we have 64 degrees right now in Old Forge and 68 degrees in New Hartford and in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 65 degrees in Milford and 66 degrees in Lawrence, West Lawrence, and in Morris this morning. And dew point values are also in the 60s at this point, so it is feeling very humid out this morning. It will remain humid for tomorrow. It does get a little bit better for Wednesday for the rest of the week, but it still is going to feel a little bit sticky as dew point values remain right near 60 or in the low 60s. So it does look like we are going to be seeing some humid days ahead, especially for the beginning of this week with this chance of rain. So the rain is definitely likely for most of today, and as we head into the later hours of the day, day, thunderstorms are possible. Tonight, it does look like we could be seeing a few showers continuing overnight and into tomorrow. So tomorrow morning and afternoon, it still looks like we are going to be seeing some scattered showers and possibly a few thunderstorms. Then the chance drops down to low. Heading into Wednesday, but Wednesday cannot be ruled out of a passing shower or two. So let's take a look at everything on the skycast. As for today, we will see scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. The rainfall could be heavy at times. So if you are heading out the door this morning, I would definitely grab the umbrella just in case. Tonight, showers are possible overnight and a few thunderstorms are also possible. But for tomorrow, showers will continue as the low pressure system moves through. Not as heavy as the rain today is expected to be, but still going to be kind of a gloomy day tomorrow, a little bit humid as well. Heading into Wednesday, we do look to dry out, but mostly cloudy skies are expected throughout the morning and afternoon. It does look to clear up, but a passing shower is still possible Wednesday afternoon and evening. As for today, though, we are tracking rain showers throughout the day, possibly a few thunderstorms, highs just in the mid-70s, and that will continue tonight with a low in the mid-60s. The unsettled weather looks to continue through Wednesday, but we do look to be mostly dry on Wednesday with dry weather on Thursday. The chance of thunderstorms come back in on Friday, but next weekend so far is looking pretty nice, Gary.
Look at that. Monday through Friday, chance of showers, and the weekend looks good again.
Yes, it does.
We've been lucky.
We've been lucky on the weekends.
That's for sure. Hannah, thanks. In part of the country for joining us for this half hour. I'm Gary Libator. A busy morning here at News Channel 2, but first, we want to get a check of your forecast. Meteorologist Hannah Evans is here to help us all plan our Monday ahead, and after a beautiful weekend, rain is on the way.
Yes, so we did see some on and off showers over the weekend, but today it will be a little bit more mostly cloudy skies, showers, and thunderstorms.
A nice soaking for us.
Yes, to water the plants and the grass. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, we are just tracking a few scattered showers, but rain is expected to get a little bit heavier throughout the day, and thunderstorms are also possible. It is going to stay on the cooler side with high temperatures just in the mid-70s, but it is going to feel pretty humid outside with dew point values in the upper 60s. So scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible today, so I would definitely grab the umbrella as you head out. The unsettled weather does look to continue into some of Wednesday, but then after Wednesday we do look dry on Thursday and then for the following weekend. So for today, expect a few showers. Thunderstorms are also possible, highs in the low 70s, and I will be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
All right, Hannah, thanks. Oneida County Sheriff's.
We are tracking some rain for today, so it does look like we could be seeing about half an inch to an inch of rain in our viewing area. The heaviest of rain does look to fall further down south, so this is much needed rain. We haven't really seen a lot of rain in a while, so I would definitely say no for spending outside for today and even no for tomorrow, because there is the possibility for rain showers that could be heavy at times today, and even through tomorrow there is the possibility of some thunderstorms. Maybe on Wednesday, we do look to get mostly dry on Wednesday, but there is the possibility of a few isolated showers throughout the day. So just keep an eye on Wednesday, but for today and tomorrow, it does look like it's going to be mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms. So as you were heading out the door this morning and driving, I would definitely bring the umbrella. There are a few showers now, but in the afternoon, these showers could be heavier and we could be seeing some scattered thunderstorms. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The 76.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting off with cloudy skies, and it is a little bit muggy outside with a few scattered showers. Let's take a look now at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the Mohawk Valley. We are seeing overcast skies. It is going to be like this for much of the day with unsettled weather continuing. So here's a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are checking a few scattered showers at this point, but the rain is definitely going to become a little bit heavier throughout the day, and thunderstorms are also possible. This is due to this low pressure system that is going to be moving through our area, and over the next few days, the weather will remain unsettled, especially for today and tomorrow, and a little bit of Wednesday. This morning we are waking up in the 60s, so already pretty warm and muggy to start. We have 65 degrees in Inlet and in Westdale, and 68 degrees in New Hartford and in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 66 degrees in Lawrence, Morris, and West Lawrence this morning. Our high temperature is going to reach the mid-70s today, but it is going to remain mostly cloudy and muggy with some showers all throughout the day. So the dew point value at this point is in the mid-60s, feeling pretty humid outside. It will feel that way tomorrow as well. It gets a little bit better for Wednesday and the rest of the week, but dew point values are still going to be in the lower 60s or right near 60s, so it is still going to feel a little bit muggy for the entirety of this week. The chance of rain here is probable for today, so it is likely we are going to be seeing rain showers, scattered thunderstorms throughout the day and even through tonight. Heading into tomorrow, the unsettled weather does look to continue for tomorrow as well throughout most of the day, but as we head into the overnight hours into Wednesday, it does look to start to dry out, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower on Wednesday as well. So let's take a look at everything on the skycast. As for today, we are going to be seeing scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms, and cloudy skies with highs just in the low to mid 70s. Tonight, that will continue a little bit overnight with the low in the mid-60s. Still remaining pretty humid tomorrow with scattered showers still possible throughout most of the day and high temperatures just in the 70s once again. We do look to start to dry out heading into Wednesday. Clouds will decrease throughout the day on Wednesday, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or two Wednesday afternoon and evening. As for today, though, it is likely we are going to be seeing some rain showers throughout the day that could be heavy at times. Definitely grab the umbrella this morning. Scattered thunderstorms are also possible throughout the afternoon and evening hours and continuing tonight with a low in the mid-60s. The unsettled weather once again looks to continue for tomorrow and a little bit into Wednesday. We do dry out for a nice day on Thursday. The chance of thunderstorms comes back in on Friday, but so far next weekend is looking pretty nice, Gary.
Bring an umbrella today.
Yes, definitely today.
That's the big answer. Hannah, thanks. Ask people why they don't buy an...
Showers for today, a few possible thunderstorms, so definitely grab the umbrella if you are heading out the door.
The rain, or the lawn that is saying thank you.
Yes, we definitely need it. So let's take a look now. If you are heading out the door this morning, temperatures are in the mid-60s. Scattered showers are occurring at this moment and possible thunderstorms this afternoon with a high just in the mid-70s. So for today, expect a few showers and thunderstorms with cloudy skies and humid conditions, and that will continue into tonight with a low in the mid-60s. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. All Oneida County Sheriff's officials.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking cloudy skies to start and a few showers throughout the day with high temperatures reaching just the lower 70s. So let's take a look now at the Cavie Tower camera overlooking the Mohawk Valley. Overcast skies to start. It is going to remain like this for most of the day, and we are expecting a few showers and possibly some scattered thunderstorms. At this point on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing a few scattered showers moving through. Heavier rain is moving through further south. This is all due to this low pressure system that is going to be traveling towards the northeast over the next few days, so the unsettled weather looks to last for today and tomorrow and a little bit of Wednesday. According to our sky watchers, we are starting out a little bit warm and humid this morning. We have 64 degrees in Old Forge and 68 degrees in New Hartford and in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 65 degrees in Milford and 66 degrees in Lawrence this morning. Our high temperature today is expecting to reach just the lower to mid 70s, but it is going to remain pretty humid outside with dew point values in the mid to upper 60s, so it is going to feel quite sticky. Same thing goes for tomorrow. It is going to remain pretty humid, and even for the rest of the week, the dew point value does drop a little bit just to around 60, but it still is going to feel a little bit sticky outside as we head into the rest of the week, even after the unsettled weather moves through. So as for today, it is very likely we are going to be seeing rain throughout today, and that lasts through tonight as well. There could also be a few thunderstorms mixed in there as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Tomorrow, the rain does look to continue. A few scattered scattered thunderstorms are possible as well. But tomorrow overnight into Wednesday does look to start to dry out, and we do look mostly dry on Wednesday, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or two on Wednesday. But as for today, we are expecting scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the day, so definitely bring the umbrella this morning. High temperatures are only expecting to reach the mid-70s. Tonight, the unsettled weather does look to continue overnight. A few showers here and there, possibly a passing thunderstorm with a low in the mid-60s. And tomorrow, the unsettled weather does continue as well with scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms throughout the day. Heading into Wednesday, it does look to dry out mostly, and we start out mostly cloudy on Wednesday, but then see a decrease in cloud cover. But we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower in the afternoon and evening hours of Wednesday. But as for today, showers and possible thunderstorms are expected. Kind of a gloomy day, pretty humid outside, highs in the low 70s. And tonight, that will continue overnight with a low falling into the mid-60s. The unsettled weather looks to last through Wednesday. Although Wednesday does look mostly dry, we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower. Sunshine comes back in for the day on Thursday with the chance of some thunderstorms on Friday. But so far, so good. Next weekend is looking pretty nice with some sunshine.
Is coming down in many parts of our region. It's what the lawns have been waiting for. Maybe they can turn green again. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us now from the Weather Center with the very latest on this system.
We are tracking scattered showers here this afternoon, and that will continue through the evening. It is also possible to see a few thunderstorms. Let's take a look now at the York Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. At this point, the heaviest of rain is falling in the Mohawk Valley and just north of the Mohawk Valley, but all of us are expecting to see at least some rain today, and a few thunderstorms are also possible. It is going to remain humid for today and tomorrow with dew point values in the mid-60s. Starting on Wednesday, it gets a little bit better, but we still will remain pretty muggy as we head into the end of the week. So scattered showers and possible thunderstorms are expected for today. The unsettled weather does look to continue into tomorrow and a little bit into Wednesday, but then ultimately on Wednesday, it does look to start to dry out and will be dry for the rest of the week. So for today, we are still tracking some showers, possible thunderstorms with highs in the mid-70s, and I will be talking a little bit about this more coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now to NBC's.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are tracking overcast skies, a little bit of a muggy condition outside, and some scattered showers. So let's take a look now at the Mirabido Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. Once again, we are seeing overcast skies. Temperatures at this point are in the 70s, but it does feel a little bit humid outside because we are seeing some rain showers. So here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. We are tracking scattered showers here this noon, and there still is the possibility to see a few scattered thunderstorms this afternoon and this evening. This is all due to this low pressure system to the west of us. We are seeing some rain coming in from the south because of this, and this unsettled weather will continue over the next few days. According to our sky watchers, we are in the 70s here this afternoon, so a little bit cooler, but still feels pretty humid outside. We have 72 degrees in Old Forge and 71 degrees in Mohawk and Otsego. Our high temperature today is just going to reach the mid-70s, which is below average for this time of year, but we are tracking rainfall. So the rain is looking to be scattered for the rest of the day, possibly a few thunderstorms mixed in there. And as we head into tomorrow, it is likely we are going to continue to see rain through tomorrow and looking to dry out a little bit on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, it does look mostly dry, but there is still the possibility to see a passing shower or two throughout the day on Wednesday. So if you did want to spend some time outside, I would just say no for today and tomorrow. Today looks like we are going to continue to see some more rain showers throughout the day, and tomorrow looks a little bit more scattered than today, but still there is the possibility to see a few thunderstorms and showers. On Wednesday, I would say maybe it does look to dry out on Wednesday, but there still is the possibility to see a passing shower or a passing thunderstorm throughout the day on Wednesday. Let's take a look at everything on the Skycast. We are seeing scattered showers here this afternoon. That will continue through the evening, and we may possibly even see a thunderstorm or two. That will also continue through tonight with mostly cloudy skies still, a low temperature in the mid-60s, and the unsettled weather continues for tomorrow with some more scattered showers, possibly a few with thunderstorms. Heading into Tuesday overnight into Wednesday, it does look to dry out but be mostly cloudy, and those clouds look to decrease on Wednesday, but we cannot rule out the possibility of a passing shower or two in the later hours of Wednesday. As for today, though, the showers and storms will continue throughout tonight and into tomorrow as well. Tonight, scattered thunderstorms will continue, so the unsettled weather does look to remain in our region for at least today and tomorrow. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are also possible for tomorrow. A passing shower possible on Wednesday, but we do look mostly dry, and we dry out on Thursday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Sticking with the weather here. And here's meteorologist Hannah Evans. And once again, it's pretty green on that radar.
Yes, we are tracking some scattered showers and possibly a few scattered thunderstorms this afternoon. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, the heaviest of rain is falling in the Mohawk Valley and just north of it, but all of us are going to be seeing some type of rain today, possibly even a passing thunderstorm. It also is pretty humid outside. Dew point values are going to be in the mid-60s for today and tomorrow. It drops a little bit for the rest of the week, but still around that dew point of 60 degrees. That still is kind of going to feel a little bit muggy for the rest of the week. So scattered showers and possible storms are forecasted for today, so make sure you keep an eye out on the sky. The unsettled weather will continue through tomorrow and a little bit through Wednesday before we do mostly dry out on Wednesday and for the rest of the week. So as for this afternoon, expect a few more scattered showers, possibly a passing thunderstorm. Highs are going to be in the mid-70s, and I will be tracking all this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Oneida County Sheriff.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are tracking overcast skies, muggy conditions, and some scattered showers this afternoon. Let's take a look now at the Murabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. Once again, all of us are seeing overcast skies. A few showers are occurring at this point, and the unsettled weather does look to continue into tomorrow. But as of right now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, we are tracking once again scattered showers. There is the possibility to see a few scattered thunderstorms later in the day as well, and our temperatures are in the 70s. This is all due to this low pressure system that is just to the west of us. It is bringing in some rain from the south, so we will continue to see showers through tonight and into tomorrow as well. According to our sky watchers, temperatures are in the low 70s, 72 degrees in Old Forge and Gray, and 70 degrees in Cassville and in Clinton. Our high temperature today will only reach the mid-70s, so on the cooler side, below average for this time of year, but still it is feeling pretty humid outside, so it's not really feeling that cool. So we are going to continue to see scattered showers, possibly a few scattered thunderstorms throughout the rest of today and tonight into tomorrow. Tomorrow it is likely we are going to be seeing some more showers and possible thunderstorms, but then heading into Wednesday, that is when the chance of rain drops off to low. We will start to dry out on Wednesday, but there still is a possibility to see a passing shower on Wednesday. So if you did want to go outside or spend time outside, I would just say no for today and tomorrow due to the fact that we are seeing rain at this point and scattered thunderstorms are possible throughout today and tomorrow. Maybe for Wednesday, it does look mostly dry, but there is still a possibility to see a passing shower or two throughout the day on Wednesday. Let's take a look at everything on the skycast. As for this afternoon, we will continue to see scattered showers. A few possible thunderstorms are possible later this afternoon into this evening, and tonight that will continue as well with a low temperature only in the mid-60s. Tomorrow will remain pretty humid. The rain looks to stick around for a little bit. Scattered showers throughout the day is expected tomorrow with a high temperature in the 70s once again, but we do look to start to dry out as we head into Wednesday. We will start out Wednesday mostly cloudy. Those clouds will decrease, but there is still the possibility to see a passing shower or two in the afternoon and evening of Wednesday. So for today, expect showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. It is kind of going to be unsettled throughout today with a high in the mid-70s, and that will last through tonight with a low in the mid-60s. It is going to remain humid tonight and into tomorrow. tomorrow. The unsettled weather continues tomorrow with a few scattered showers and thunderstorms possible. A passing shower is possible on Wednesday, but we do look mostly dry, and we fully dry out on Thursday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The annual
Over to the Weather Center. The rain is coming down, hearing some rumbles of thunder. Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis is tracking. You know, the rain was needed, but now we have to be, cautious with the thunderstorm as well.
Yeah, we do need the rain. Not all at once, though. This could cause some minor issues. Ponding on roadways are still possible. Even though it's been very dry, if the rain comes down too quickly, it doesn't get a chance to go where it needs to go. That's mainly into the soil, and it ends up running off. So live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, thunder, lightning, heavy rain continues for Utica and into eastern Oneida and western Herkimer County. These bands of rain are moving very slowly to the northeast, so these areas will be clearing out shortly. That rain will move its way into Herkimer County. Also, some developing showers in Otsego County. Some rumbles of thunder are possible here as well. Rainfall today very localized, but we did see rain. We had quite a bit. North Utica picking up over 2 inches of rain. Woodgate, 1.25 inches of rain, as well as Old Forge. Westmoreland picking up about 1 inch of rain. Our current temperature is 70 degrees. We're going to continue to track showers and thunderstorms this evening. More chances for storms tonight as well as tomorrow. Look at that forecast coming out. Kristen, back to you.
And 4 lifeguards from Delta Lake.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We continue to track locally heavy rain, some thunder, some lightning, and also some minor flooding issues here. Let's take a look outside. This is impacting a good portion of Utica and into the Mohawk Valley. The thunderstorm producing some heavy rainfall. We've been experiencing heavy rainfall here on Smith Hill for about the past half an hour or so. And if you're driving home this evening, the rain is coming down hard enough where it's causing ponding on roadways. Even though it's been really dry, we could still get some local issues here in terms of some minor flooding. Streams, rivers should be fine. It's going to take a while for this rain to go where it's supposed to. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is not affecting everyone evenly. The heaviest rainfall is moving into Utica, the Mohawk Valley. The rain is also developing in Otsego County as well. We'll zoom in and show you what's going on. The red is indicating rainfall rates over 1 inch per hour. This is very slowly lifting to the north and east. So this will move into central Herkimer County, heading towards Salisbury, Dolgeville, north of areas like Little Falls over the next half an hour to 45 minutes. Things are not in a hurry today. So where it is raining, it does come down hard. So look at the rainfall. Again, very much hit or miss, but I wanted to highlight some of the areas that got hit pretty hard today. This includes Utica as well as Marcy, just south of Rome. These areas picked up between 1 to 2 inches of rain, some locally higher amounts of rain, as much as 2.5 inches indicated by radar. And again, this is very beneficial. We've been very dry for a good portion of the summer. So the rain that we're getting today is going to help with that. We get more rain tomorrow. It looks widespread. Looking at generally dry weather Wednesday, and our rain chances will increase again by Thursday and Friday. Where it's been raining, it's cool. Waitsboro 70 degrees, Deansboro 68, Dolgeville 75, Cooperstown 71, Sherburne 76, and Hamilton with 70 degrees. Watch out for thunderstorms this evening. They're not going to last all evening long. You should be able to get some breaks to take the dog out for a walk. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s. Tonight's featured dog is Ace from Oriskany. And if you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. Low pressure driving our weather today. That will be the case tonight as well as tomorrow. This will continue our chances for rain overnight. We're looking at some scattered showers and maybe a rumble of thunder. Tomorrow morning, temperatures start out in the upper 60s. Widespread showers will be taking place throughout the afternoon. So pretty close to a washout. Our weather does dry out tomorrow night, and the weather improves for Wednesday. We'll see clouds give way to sunshine Wednesday afternoon with temperatures climbing into the upper 70s. Rainfall expected to be continuing tomorrow, perhaps another ½ inch to 1 inch of rain heading into tomorrow afternoon. Scattered storms tonight, low of 65. Scattered showers and storms tomorrow. A mostly cloudy day with temperatures in the low 70s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunshine Wednesday, 81 degrees. Scattered showers and storms Thursday and Friday. The weather looks to improve for the weekend, and we start to warm up. Temperatures heading into the upper 80s as we look ahead to next Monday. And coming up in a few minutes, we're going to continue to track those storms. We're also talking about a new satellite that you can watch over the next couple of days.
All right, Bill, thank you. Definitely needed the rain, though. Unfortunately, it changed some plans, but Lebanon, they have plans to in just a minute. But first, I do want to head back to the Weather Center, where Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis is tracking heavy rain right now. You know, we've been able to hear it on the roof here at Smithville.
Yeah, it's coming down hard. We're looking at rainfall rates over 1 inch per hour, and we really do need the rain. It's been very dry for a good portion of this summer, but again, with the rain coming down all at once, it still is possible, though, you can get ponding on roadways and even some minor flash flooding, especially in urban environments where there's a lot of pavement, because again, it's all about where does that rain go. If it comes down too quickly, it doesn't get a chance to absorb into the ground or go into the streams and ends up in the roadways. So that's just something to keep in mind if you're traveling this evening, especially east of Utica. The heavy rain is starting to move into western Herkimer County, and this is lifting very slowly to the north and east. We will get a chance to dry out at least for parts of this evening, with more chances for rain tonight. Wanted to mention that we have a new satellite or series of satellites to watch in the sky. Starlink satellites launched by SpaceX will be visible in the night sky. This is an image of what it would look like. This was taken by Chad Stone on Friday. We'll be able to see this locally Wednesday night, 8:35 p.m. These are pretty neat to see, and we'll remind you of this as we get closer to that. This evening, thunderstorms in the forecast, temperatures in the low 70s. We're tracking more rain tomorrow. And look at that forecast coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Tomorrow is move-in day.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We continue to track showers, thunderstorms, some locally heavy rain this evening. Let's take a live look outside in Cooperstown, where some rain has been falling this late afternoon, this early evening. We continue to track downpours across the Mohawk Valley, some rumbles of thunder. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The rain is not affecting everyone the same. Let's zoom in to where it is raining still pretty hard. This is just crossing just along the border of Oneida and Herkimer County. Still clipping parts of East Utica, some heavy rain lifting to the north and east. In this red that you see here, rain is coming down at a rate of about 1 inch per hour, and this is all going to continue to affect Herkimer County. Watch out for some ponding on the roadways this evening. We've already seen rainfall here in excess of 2 inches. So again, some locally heavy rain this evening. It is, and it has been much needed, but again, if it comes down too quickly at once, it could still cause some ponding on the roadways. Just something to keep in mind. Wanted to briefly touch upon something that happened yesterday. A water spout on Oneida Lake briefly touching down. This is basically a tornado on the water. They're weaker, but again, something that we saw with some of those storms earlier. Again, that took place Sunday evening. The humidity very high. This is one of the reasons why we've been seeing those downpours. There's a lot of humidity to work with the environment as those storms roll through. And the humidity stays high tomorrow. But the humidity does go down on Wednesday and Thursday, so more scattered showers and storms tomorrow before the weather starts to clear out heading into the end of the week. I have temperatures and rainfall reports on our Skywatcher map. Bill and Old Forge picking up 1.2 inches of rain today, a little over ½ inch of rainfall in Bob's backyard in Clinton. Across southern valleys, less rainfall, only ¼ inch in Hartwick, and about ¾ inch of rainfall today in Sequoia. Temperatures are generally in the upper 60s to low 70s. Our weather being driven by low pressure. You can spot it by looking at the circulation. Winds turning counterclockwise around the center of that low, and that low pressure system rolls through tonight. You can see some scattered showers lingering into tonight as well as early tomorrow. We'll see some light rain around 7 a.m. Some rumbles of thunder are still possible tomorrow afternoon. A generally gloomy, mostly cloudy day. On and off rain showers, temperatures will be in the low 70s. Tomorrow night, the weather does clear out. We'll start out with some clouds and some fog first thing Wednesday morning, but we do expect to see some sunshine as we head into Wednesday afternoon, and pleasant weather with temperatures climbing back into the low 80s. Scattered storms tonight, a low of 65, so pretty mild night ahead. Tomorrow, more scattered showers and a few rumbles of thunder, pretty close to a washout. Temperatures climb into the low 70s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast will clear out on Wednesday. Back to sunshine, 81 degrees for the high. Some scattered storms are possible on Thursday and Friday. These are hit or miss, so they don't last as much of the day as what we're expecting tomorrow. Heading into the weekend, the weather looks nice. Temperatures in the upper 70s on Saturday, low 80s Sunday, and it starts to warm up. Temperatures in the upper 80s. Looking ahead to next Monday. Coming up at 6 o'clock, we're tracking the heavy rain moving through our area and how much more we can expect on Tuesday. We'll be right back.
Today, after a day of much needed rainfall, Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis is also tracking thunderstorms. For a look at the forecast, let's get you right to the Weather Center where we begin tonight.
Yeah, heavy rain continues in parts of our area. We're tracking the majority of the downpours in Herkimer County. This is lifting very slowly to the north and east. The rain that's coming down now is coming down hard, so it's producing some ponding on the roadways. And even though we've been very dry, we could still see some issues with this rain, some localized flooding, mainly in urban areas where there's a lot of pavement, where the water just has a hard time getting it to where it's supposed to go. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can see some lightning strikes here too, especially north of Utica. This is very slowly lifting to the north and east. So again, Herkimer County will continue to get some pretty heavy rain. This also extends into northern Otsego County. Some rumbles of thunder in Milford possible as well. Rainfall today, again, it's more feast and famine just depending on where you are. In North Utica getting quite a bit of rain, 2.25 inches. Woodgate about an inch and a quarter. Old Forge a little over an inch. Same thing with Westmoreland. Current temperature is 72 degrees, and as we head into this evening, we'll continue to track some thunderstorms. We do dry out for a little while heading into late this evening, but more rain is on the way tonight and tomorrow. And I've got a look at that forecast coming up. Kristen, back to you.
3 people are dead after a
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We continue to track locally heavy rainfall as bands of some thunderstorms move through parts of our area. Let's take a live look outside. This is a very dramatic picture. This is our tower cam, our Cavi tower cam, where we're looking at sunshine along with some of those storms kind of clashing together. And that's a beautiful shot as we're looking to the south. We have a flood advisory issued by the National Weather Service for Herkimer County. What this means is that there could be some localized flooding. Even though we've had very dry conditions for most of the summer, we're running behind on rainfall. We got a lot of it today in parts of Herkimer County as well as eastern Oneida County, more than in some cases 2 inches. And because this came down so quickly, it could cause some ponding on roadways. We're not expecting any major issues, but again, this could be an issue if you're driving. Just be mindful of ponding on roadways and never drive through water-covered roadways. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're tracking bands of heavy rainfall that continue. You can see some of the reds here indicating rainfall over 1 inch per hour. Also some lightning strikes here as these bands continue to move through central Herkimer County and lifting their way to the north and east. Things are moving very slowly in the atmosphere, so it's going to take a while for the rain to clear out. The rain has come to an end from Utica and points west, and in fact, we even saw some breaks of sunshine. Rainfall, again, highlighting some of the areas that got hit hardest. This would include Utica and points north and east. These areas in yellow indicate 2 inches of rain. That orange color indicates 3 inches of rain from the Doppler radar. The rainfall outlook, we have more rain in store tomorrow before we get a chance to dry out as we look ahead to Wednesday. And one reason we have so much rain falling today is the high humidity, dew points in the upper 60s. The humidity will come down as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, staying pretty humid tomorrow. Our temperatures this evening mixed in with some rainfall reports. It's 70 in Gray, Inlet 69, about an inch and a quarter of rainfall in Old Forge, 3/4 of an inch of rain in Sequoia, and a temperature of 71 in Milford. Low pressure is driving our weather today, bringing us widespread showers and storms. This will slowly move eastward, and so we do have some showers and storms in the forecast for tonight and tomorrow. And like today, these will be widely scattered, and they will linger through tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures tomorrow in the low 70s, a generally unsettled day before the weather begins to clear out tomorrow night and into Wednesday. We do pick up additional rainfall tonight and tomorrow. We're thinking a general ½ an inch to an inch of rainfall can be expected across the area. And again, like today, it's going to vary quite a bit just based on how those storms set up Some scattered storms tonight, low of 65. Tomorrow, more scattered showers and storms. Temperatures climb into the low 70s. The weather dries out and the sunshine returns on Wednesday. Temperatures warm into the low 80s. A hit or miss shower or storm Thursday, 82. More widespread storms Friday as the cold front arrives. It looks nice this weekend. Temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s, and it warms up. Some heat on Monday with high temperatures in the upper 80s. We'll be right back.
Joining us, Jason has the night off. We've seen some rain and thunder roll through our area. Let's get you over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis for what you can expect for the rest of the night. Good evening, Bill.
Yeah, good evening, Zaira. Some much needed rainfall. It's been really dry lately. This rain is coming down pretty hard, and in some cases we did get some ponding on the roadways and some localized flooding. As we take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, rain continues to move into central New York, a band extending across southern Oneida and Madison County. We do have flood advisories in effect for Madison County for the next 15 minutes or so, and then another flood advisory for Fulton and Montgomery County for until 11:30. Again, some minor issues here. Not really looking at any big problems with the rainfall. We did pick up a decent amount of rain. In fact, take a look at some of the numbers here. Utica, North Utica, over 4 inches of rain this afternoon and early this evening. Oppenheim picking up 3 inches. And then you get away from that band of heavy rain, the numbers go down a lot. Old Forge, 1 inch of rain. In southern half of Otsego County, very little rain taking place today. Again, this was all caused by localized thunderstorms. Current temperature is 68 degrees heading into tonight. Storms will continue. We're looking at overnight lows in the mid-60s, so it's going to be a pretty mild night. More showers and storms to track for tomorrow before the weather dries out. A look at that forecast coming up. Sarah, back to you.
Thank you, Bill. 3 people.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. Normally we can see the city of Utica from our tower cam tonight, but because of the rain and some fog, it is reducing visibility. So if you're going to be driving tonight, that's something to keep in mind. I think the fog will be around through early tomorrow morning too. We do have one flood advisory in effect for Fulton and northern Montgomery County. This is in effect until 11:30. Some minor flooding is taking place in parts of the area due to the heavy nature of this rainfall. We actually do need the rain. It's been very dry, but when it comes down all at once, it can still cause issues. Not mainly bodies of water, but rather just the rain getting stuck in poor drainage areas and creating some ponding, mainly on roadways. So live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We continue to track bands of rain still falling in areas that picked up quite a bit of rain earlier today. So we're going to continue to monitor areas that include Utica and Herkimer. Again, some ponding on the roadways will continue. Some rumbles of thunder are also possible with this as well. And this is a look at how much rain has fallen today. In general, the yellows indicate between 2 to 3 inches of rain. The greens are about 1 to 2 inches of rain. And that orange zone is a locally higher amount of more than 3 inches. So again, a soaking rain for sure taking place across the area. Widespread rain tomorrow. We'll get a break in the rain Wednesday before some scattered showers return Thursday and Friday. One of the reasons why we've seen such heavy rainfall is because the humidity is so high. Our dew points are in the mid-60s, and that puts us in the humid category. The humidity sticks around tomorrow, but it does decrease for Wednesday and Thursday, and that will also reduce our rain chances going forward. Another thing to mention, too, and we'll talk about this more as we get closer, the Starlink satellites will be visible. Looks like our next chance of seeing this will be Wednesday night at around 8:35. So it looks like skies will be clear for that. Let's take you around the clock tomorrow. Temperatures in the 70s. We're tracking some on and off rain and also breezy conditions, especially in the afternoon. As we look at the radar and satellite image, we're looking at low pressure that continues to drive our weather tonight. It'll bring more scattered showers to the region into tomorrow. A few rumbles of thunder are possible too. Temperatures will only be in the low 70s. We will get a chance to clear out tomorrow night, and the weather looks to improve as we head towards Wednesday. Additional rain tomorrow, we're thinking somewhere in the ballpark of a half an inch to as much as an inch of rain. We'll continue to keep an eye on area streams. I don't really expect any big issues here, but we could see some ponding on roadways like we did today. Scattered storms tonight, low of 65. Tomorrow, more scattered showers and storms, 73 for the high. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast for dry Wednesday. Some on and off showers Thursday and Friday. The weekend is looking dry with temperatures near 80. We'll be right back.
Thank you for joining us. Jason has the night off. We've seen some rain and thunder roll through our area. Let's get you over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis for what you can expect for the rest of the night. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Sarah. We're tracking some showers, some downpours, even some rumbles of thunder that continue in parts of Oneida and Herkimer counties. We've had a decent amount of rain today, and it's been a very beneficial rain. We've been very dry this summer. However, the rain has come down pretty heavy, and it has caused some issues. We do have a flood advisory that remains in effect for Fulton and Montgomery counties. That green shaded region that you see on the screen here. It's a very small area. Some ponding on roadways is possible with these downpours that we're seeing tonight. In general, the rain came down heavy in some areas. Look at North Utica picking up more than 4 inches of rain today. Oppenheim 3 inches. Again, this did lead to some localized flooding. The rainfall was kind of feast or famine here. You can look at some of these other numbers. Go down into southern Otsego County. Very little rainfall today, and less than an inch of rain for Herkimer. Only about 3/4 of an inch of rain. Now, going forward, we do expect to see more showers and the chance of more thunderstorms. Current temperature is 68 degrees. It stays mild tonight. We're looking at partly cloudy skies, and again, the risk for a few showers overnight. More showers and storms here for tomorrow. Got to look at your forecast coming up. Sarah, back to you.
Thank you, Bill. 3 people are dead.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are taking a live look outside. Normally we could see the city lights from our vantage point on Smith Hill, but because we have rain tonight and we have some fog, visibility is reduced. This is something you want to keep in mind if you're going to be traveling tonight or first thing tomorrow morning. Again, that rain continues. We do have a flood advisory in effect just north of Canajoharie. Now, this is out towards Fulton and Montgomery counties in effect until 11:30. We continue to track some locally heavy rain on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, even some lightning strikes taking place across southern Herkimer County. And you can see Dulwichaville getting some rain in this red zone. The rain is coming down at about ½ inch to 1 inch per hour. This is going to slowly lift to the north and east, and we will get a chance to dry out as we head into tonight. So look at estimated rainfall. I just wanted to show you and highlight some of the areas that saw heavy rain today. This is right along the New York State Thruway corridor from Oneida all the way through Little Falls out towards Canajoharie. An estimated 2 to 3 inches of rain fell in this area today. You go south, a lot of folks in Otsego, Shenango County missed out on some of this rainfall. Widespread rain is expected tomorrow, and then we do get a chance to dry out heading into Wednesday. One of the reasons why we saw localized heavy rainfall has to do with the humidity. High humidity in the air today. Dew points are in the mid to upper 60s. The humidity stays pretty high tomorrow before things start to change on Wednesday and Thursday. I also wanted to mention temperatures tomorrow really don't warm up that much. We're looking at high temperatures in the low 70s with more rain showers as we head into tomorrow afternoon. We do have a light breeze tomorrow as well. But again, the big story will be the unsettled weather. As we look at the radar and satellite image, we can tell what's going on here. We've got a big circulation in the atmosphere. This is low pressure. This is going to be heading very slowly to the east, and it brings more hit or miss showers to our area tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Tomorrow morning, we start out with cloudy skies and keep the umbrella handy. Looking at some on and off rain showers, even some rumbles of thunder. Another cool day, temperatures in the low 70s. The weather will dry out tomorrow night. We'll see some fog overnight. Starting out dry but cloudy Wednesday morning. Return to sunshine is expected Wednesday afternoon, and it's looking warmer and less humid with temperatures in the low 80s. Additional rain tomorrow. I'm thinking about ½ inch to 1 inch of rain will be the norm, and of course we will see some locally higher amounts. Scattered storms tonight, low of 65. More scattered storms tomorrow. A generally cloudy day, temperatures in the low 70s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. We're dry Wednesday, 81, and it's a nice day. Thursday, Friday, a hit-or-miss shower storm. Temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. It's dry. It's looking nice this weekend. Partly sunny skies. Warm Monday. Temperatures in the upper 80s. We'll be right back.